guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Everybody loves sweets. To satisfy your sweet cravings, today I'm going to share a healthy protein ball recipe with you all. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make healthy protein ball at home. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. To our bowl, add peanut butter. I'm using my homemade peanut butter. I have shared a recipe link in the description box below. Please do check it. Add almond flour or oat flour. I'm using my homemade almond flour. Check the description box below for the recipe. Add unsweetened cocoa powder, or you can also add chocolate flavored protein powder. Add maple syrup for sweetness. Mix all the ingredients together. Roll into balls with your hands. Roll the balls in the roasted peanuts. I have roasted the peanuts in the air fryer. Roasting peanuts in the air fryer is super easy. I have given the recipe link in the description box below. Please do check it. Store in the fridge and it stays good for a week. It's a perfect healthy snack. Do try these protein balls and satisfy your sweet cravings. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.